Who doesn't love hiding out in a dumpster on Retail Row? I know why you're here. You're here because you want to get your game on, specifically on a laptop instead of a desktop, right? You're willing to sacrifice ergonomic comfort and power in exchange for the portability and compact size of a laptop. Who says gamers are isolated creatures who hide in small, dark, damp basements? With the popularity of gaming laptops, it's obvious. Hardcore gamers also like to get out and even gather in small groups. Let's say you do really want to take your gaming on the road. Let's break it down with what's important in choosing your mighty machine. I'm talking everything from CPU to nice designs. I'd like to pretend there isn't hierarchy among the gaming community, but there is. If you don't have the best laptop, you are out of the game. Yes, it's a bit of a roll of the dice as to which is the best, but isn't that why we all play? 1. CPU, or the Central Processing Unit. This is the brain of your laptop. It determines how quickly your laptop responds to your commands. Most games need at least an Intel Core 5 or an AMD FX 4300 to run well. 2. GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit. To extend the analogy, it would be the face of your laptop. The GPU determines how 3D realistic your game looks and how quickly and smoothly the screen refreshes. You'll want at least a Radeon R9 390 or a 1060 3GB. 3. RAM, or Random Access Memory, of at least 8GB. These are like your memories from today. You can recall these details quickly since it's foremost in your mind. This is the same for RAM. How much RAM you have determines how fast your game loads and refreshes. 4. SSD, or Solid State Drive. This is memory that is faster than your hard drive, but slower than RAM. The beauty of SSD is that data doesn't disappear when the laptop turns off. Everything in RAM disappears with the off switch. SSD will let you load your game faster and avoid hitching in open-world games. Kinda like your dreams, you experience them when you're asleep and recall them when you are awake. 5. Storage, or hard drive. This isn't a big deal, and most laptops will have enough storage to hold your games, and you can always add more as you need. Compared to RAM, this would be like your memories from last week. You can recall it, but it takes a little longer. So yeah, RAM is key. Of these factors, the easiest to upgrade is RAM. So spend your money on the best CPU and GPU you can afford. I know you're itching to learn more so you can complete the daily heist on Grand Theft Auto on a super fast and reliable computer. You can do your research, and experts will have varying opinions, but for my money, here are the top 5 gaming laptops for 2020. Times are tough and we need to be smart with our money. Let me entice you with the lower priced machines and tempt you with the fancy ones at the end. Number 5. Acer Nitro 5 51752, under $800. Laptopmedia.com calls the Nitro 5 17 inches of reasonably priced gaming. What an odd thing to say when you want the best of the best. At least odd until you look at it. Then you might be wishing you needed a new laptop here and now. This budget laptop has a giant 17.3-inch screen, so your Lara Croft can properly dodge gunners down in the tomb. For the price, you get a huge screen, but not even available on some of the more expensive models. You'd be surprised what a difference that extra 2 inches makes. The display from the GeForce GTX 1650 GPU is smooth and fast. It's fast enough with an Intel Core i5 processor. It comes with 8GB of memory, so enough to run all of the hottest games. It even has a decent webcam. People who buy this computer do it for affordability, but is then pleasantly surprised by its performance. The fan can be a bit noisy after a few hours of intense gameplay, but doesn't overheat. The Nitro 5 doesn't come with SSD, but has an expansion slot ready for you to easily pop one in. You can also add RAM and storage to beef up this laptop. This will let your Nitro 5 to run future releases of Dirt with no problem. The Nitro 5 provides solid 1080p gaming and a giant display for a pretty low price tag. So when you're hanging out at Starbucks for 5 hours, you can still afford a Frappuccino and a tip. Number 4. Asus ROG Zephyrus G14, $1,400. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 is a nimble force to be reckoned with. This lightweight machine comes with a compact 14-inch display, a reliably fast AMD Ryzen 9 motherboard, and 16GB of RAM. Crisp, smooth graphics courtesy of a GeForce RTX 2030 Max Q graphics card. It also comes with 1TB of SSD. This is a seriously portable laptop despite being only 2 centimeters and weighing under 2 kilograms. The CPU and hardware are solid and will let you outmaneuver your enemies on Fortnite with ease. It has an impressive 240Hz refresh rate, so your gory blood splatters will be extra realistic. Unlike other more edgy gaming laptops, the Zephyrus is understated with a no-frills design and has a solid, sturdy build. The battery life will give you 10 hours of tireless gameplay. If that's not long enough, this slim laptop also has a USB-C charging, a great on-the-go laptop. This super portable laptop is small in size but delivers a giant performance at an excellent price. Tom's Hardware doesn't hold back for their love for this machine. The Zephyrus G14 sounds almost too good to be true. More than 11 hours of battery life, awesome performance for gaming and VR, thermal management that never gets hot to the touch, and a design that can both satisfy gamers and look at home in more professional settings. I can easily spend 11 hours gaming, so this makes me really excited. The fact that it comes in such a compact little machine is even more awesome. Number 3. MSI GS66 Stealth, $1,800. Here's PC Mag's bottom line. The MSI GS66 Stealth is a well-built and potent high-end gaming laptop, but it has a few shortcomings, especially considering the price of our review configuration, and loses some of the identity of its predecessor. In our review, we found the MSI GS66 Stealth to be the VR gamer's dream come true. It features a 10th generation Cum Lake H CPU, and thanks to a GeForce RTX 2080 GPU, it offers a blistering fast 300Hz display. This baby is sleek, high performance, and comes with a ton of features. When you're in the middle of an RPG such as Call of Duty, you'll appreciate the RGB keyboard where you can customize each individual key. Ahead of its time, the GS66 Stealth is VR ready and fully compatible with Oculus Rift. This baby has plenty of ports, including Ethernet and Thunderbolt 3. Without spending your last dollar, the GS66 Stealth is featured packed to give you an ultra-real experience no matter what world you're in. Still with us so far? Well, if you're not price conscious and are ready to spend, stay tuned for our number 1 pick. It will blow your mind and maybe your pocketbook, but so worth it. Number 2, Alienware M17R3, $2,250. Given 5 stars by LaptopMag.com, the M17R3 boasts a stunning 17.3 FHD display at lightning speed of 300Hz. Powered by an Intel Core i7, it comes with 16GB of memory. The GeForce RTX 2070 guarantees a smooth, flicker-free 4K HD display. Alienware is compatible with Tobii eye tracking that lets you use your eyes as an input device. The feature is intuitive, so you'll be using your eyeballs to aim and target your enemies. That's cool, right? Tom Hardware's verdict, the Alienware M17R3 is about as powerful as a gaming laptop can get while keeping under 1 inch of thickness, and has a great screen and striking design. This pretty much sums it up perfectly. Number 1, Razer Blade 15, $4,000. Without a question, the Razer Blade 15 is king. It is the Cadillac of gaming laptops. Well, if you can afford the best. We got the fastest, smartest, and slickest laptop yet. The Razer Blade 15 gaming laptop is the one you want. It provides awe-inspiring power with an available 8-core 10th gen Intel Core i7 processor. It is up to 25% faster graphics than most laptops and an astonishing 300Hz display. What does that mean for you? You, my friend, will have a secret competitive advantage by being ninja fast in high FPS games. The near edgeless HD display is a pretty face for sure, but it packs a lightweight aluminum that is super sturdy. PC Gamer is an obvious fan. They heaped high praise for this laptop with the following recap. The Razer Blade 15 has set the bar for gaming laptops over the last couple of years. Excellent build quality, decent battery life, and superb performance have always been the trio that pushes the Blade 15 above everyone else. Can't top that. There you have it, our 5 picks for your laptop upgrade dollars. For our money, stick to the obvious. Get the best CPU and GPU you can. Once you save up your nickels, you can upgrade your laptop by adding SSD, RAM, and extra storage. You may even want to use it as a FAW desktop by adding a RPG keyboard and external monitor. Focusing on a fast, powerful CPU will give you plenty of options down the road. Until we meet again, my friend, game on! Let us know what you think of our choices. Did we inspire your shopping choices, or did we pick some lemons? Maybe we missed a feature that you think is crucial. Do let us know, okay?